How to change your phone number on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. As you see, when you open your Instagram, you will find home. You go down and you open your profile. Then you go at the top of the screen and click on this three line. Then you go to settings and then go to account here and click. Then you go to the first option, personal information, and click, and then go to the second option, phone number. Click, and now you can change your phone number. And when you change it, you click next, and you go to the next step, and that with that you can change your phone number. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.